Residents, Meira, Paibis and local club organizations from villages across Heirok Assembly constituency staged a protest on Sunday morning. The protesters came from Heirok, Shikung, Sekmai, Hijam Kuno, Ukung Shang, Laurimbam, Langmeithed, Pechi and Bengi. The protesters gathered at Pechi Chinglak three-way junction and planted paddy saplings on pothole-ridden roads to highlight their poor condition. They demanded immediate repairs to several important road stretches, including Heirok Thobal Road via Charangpad, Heirok Yaripo Kaithel Road via Pechi and road leading to Bengi Ichamkuno. A Meira Paibi leader said the damaged roads have caused serious hardship to daily commuters and school children. The poor road conditions have also led to frequent accidents and severe injuries. Secretary of Shikung Nongpok Sekmai Ukung Shang Auto Irish Association, Angom Sanayai said, auto drivers had earlier used their own funds for temporary repairs. However, the roads have deteriorated further due to continued government neglect and recent monsoon rains. The protesters have given a 7-day ultimatum to the local MLA and department concerned, demanding repair works begin within the deadline. They also warned of an indefinite vehicular blockade along the affected routes if their demands are not met.
Meira Paibis, Kun Committee, Mihoi Singa, Kanima, Koina Karigumba, Haptasi, Manunda, Sam Dabataragadi. I can among the Lambi Tinjanzarani, Yaripok, to Heirok, Amadi, Isang Kuno, Bengi, Tabalambize. Kunzatra Mari Mangas in a Tinjanzarani, Haina, Marilenava, Department Gimio in the Kanganzari.
Heirok and Dragi, Ladyba, Lambi Singasi, Asukimatic, Kivam Silaktavan Maramorga, Nasi Koigi, Heirok and Dragi, Nakonba, Nongpok Sangmai, Tu Yaripok, Amadi, Nongpok Sangmai Degina, Isang Kuno. Asibuk Tabalambi, Ate, Kulang Iraki Lambi Sing, Yamana Fasilaktavan Maramorga, Kunjasina, Amadi, I coach my the Sally Boat diversing, Su Yakshin Zaraga, Lambi Singasi, Patri Balambi Singasi, Hosik Paliba, Sarkar, Asina Sumatang Queen Birataba, Asinua Zetabadagi, Kunjasina Horonaga, Amutang Miang Sangi Haiba, Wafam.